Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, corn dog casserole. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place. Melting some butter in a fry pan. I add Nathan's hot dogs and diced onions. All the goodies gathered for the batter. The batter and the hot dogs are ready to go together. Here it is right before the hot box. Here's the casserole in the hot box. Here it is just out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.